All right, boys and girls, today I am out here in Spotsylvania checking out new construction. I've slacked on it just a little bit. It actually got way more down the line than the last time you would have seen it. It was just framing at that point. Siding's going on, concrete's been poured, drywall. I mean, their cabinets have been set. I mean, it's really coming together. So we're about a month out. So if anybody's looking to buy a new construction, this is what it's gonna look like about a month before you actually buy that house. So stick around and check it out. Hey guys, so this is a beautiful house that Beach Construction is building. Obviously we still have final grade and some other stuff to go about, but we have our septic over there. We got some topsoil. So it's got a good cleanup to still go, but here it is. It's 1818 for square footage. It's got a 2-car garage. I have plenty of other videos of this house getting built. The buyers decided to go with this navy blue with the white trim, and I think it looks really cool. As you see, we have power. Finally has been ran by Rappahannock, but we still have to hook up. Now, one thing I do want to say, it's going to probably be a little dark in here. Not much I can do about this. One thing I do want to point out is that there's a closet right here. The builder gave the option of just bumping out the primary bedroom, so the closet wouldn't be in here, it'd just be a bigger primary, but the owner wanted the closet in the garage, which I think is a pretty cool idea. All right, so we just walked in the front door. As you can see, we have our big living room here and kitchen combo. Vaulted ceilings here with Quann LED lights. This house has not only a front porch, but it also has a back porch. Now he gives an option whether you want it screened or not. But it's pretty cool. Another fan box or light box, depending what you want to put up in there. Here is the kitchen. So the appliances aren't in, but fridge, stove, dishwasher. And then this client decided to go with a microwave in the island, which is pretty cool too. So that's what I did in my personal house as well. Again, coming back in, let's go to the right and check out the 2 bedrooms. Now this floor plan is really cool, because not only do we have a bedroom here with a full bath, we actually have a second suite in this house. So big closet, can be a pantry or whatever you decide you want to do here. Now, one thing I do want to point out about this builder that I really enjoy, no wire racks. Everything's custom built. It's very nice. All the closets are the same way. As you can see, they did the 1x4 for the trim as well. Really like that. It's kind of a farmhouse trim. Again, no wire racks. Decent sized closet, decent sized bedroom. So this is a little bit bigger of a bedroom. And it's got a full bath in it. So again, we don't have electric in the house, so I apologize about that. But full bath, toilet, vanity, shower, and then another closet. So that is the right side of the house. And then we go back over to the left side now. Back to the front door, we're going left now. We have the master, we'll get to that in a second. Here's the mudroom. There's another pantry essentially built in right here, because there's no pantry right in the kitchen. So there's one right here in the mudroom, which is right around the corner. But here's your laundry, plenty of room there. And we have the master with the cathedral ceilings. And then there is low voltage lighting hidden around there too. Pretty cool. So all the trims in, flooring should be coming here any day now. Electrical, you got your vents for HVAC. So something this purchaser decided to go with was more of like a full makeup bar. I think originally there was a tub right here in this corner, but no tub here. A full makeup bar, and then huge closet. So I know I said that you could bump it out and make it even more of an L, which you could, but you do have a huge closet. And one thing I have to point out about this builder, all this is custom fit, custom built. None of this was I mean, all this was, so he did the same thing in my house. I built a huge shoe rack with multiple whatever shelving or whatever, and my wife has all of her jewelry there. Beautiful towel all the way up to the ceiling. We have a nook for your shampoo, that kind of stuff, and then your toilet room or a sitting room, depending on what you want to call it. And so that's going to wrap up the first floor of this house. Now, I do want to point out that it is a gigantic floor plan, and you'll see that here shortly. There, I mean, you can bowl, I don't know, probably shoot a bow. I mean, you can do a lot. All your plumbing's right here, though. So you have rough-in for your next bathroom. Yeah, just a gigantic footprint. You got windows for more bedrooms. So depending on what you perk at, or if you have public water and sewer, you could very easily add another 2 bedrooms and another bath down here, which would bring this up to a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house. And what would that be? 3,600 square feet, something like that. So, all right, so that's going to wrap up the tour of this house today. But a couple things to be pointing out. Countertops are going to be in this week, so we'll of course like that. Garage door is going to be in. Trades will be coming back in for fixtures, plumbing, toilet, that kind of stuff. And then lighting as well. The owner is picking out all their own lighting. The builder is giving a credit for that. So we'll see what they pick up there. It's going to be really cool. Most of this house is going to be can lighting, but there's going to be some fixtures as well. Appliances have been ordered, so that's going to be, depending on the appliance. This client picked a different stove, so that's going to take a few weeks to get in here, but appliances are ordered, and that should be here. We're really wrapping this thing up. It is October 13th. We're about a month out, maybe a little bit less. So flooring goes in, carpet's been picked, so all the flooring should be coming in next week or two. And then we're really just doing the final touches, getting power ran to it, that kind of stuff. And then final grade, all that kind of stuff. Seating, the outside stuff, the stuff that will bring everything together, of course. But yeah, really cool. I thank you guys for watching this far. If you guys have any new construction questions or maybe housing questions, feel free to reach out to me. There's a link in the description below. You can book a calendar invite with me or my lender. We can talk about some options there. So anyway, guys, I'll see you on the next one.